Hello, this is the company of Realux, and I want to show you the biggest and most expensive studio flat in Batumi. This flat you can see the most exciting, the most wonderful and the most beautiful views. There is a big balcony in this flat where you can rest and see wonderful views for Batumi. In this kitchen we can see special devices. For example, this device it is for cutting products, and it is a dispenser for soap. There you can wash up. In this kitchen was used very expensive and very quality accessories. It is made of bloom, and we can put this. It is convenient. In this we can see washing machine and a lot of shelves for dishes. In this kitchen we can see electric oven. We can turn on it and turn off it. In this filled kitchen it is very easy to open and to close the shelves. If you want to quickly breakfast or dinner, there is a very convenient and cozy table. It is high table with two classical chairs. And let's go to the living room. It is very comfortable living room, and it is very big living room. A wonderful white sofa, soft, and four chairs with a big table, where you can see wonderful views of Batumi. There is no bedroom in this flat, but it was designed and made for the shortly relax and shortly vacation, and because of it, it is very comfortable. You can leave this and only see wonderful views and relax and eat delicious food to this table. And now let's look at this comfortable bathroom where you can have a bath and relax. There is and there you can see a rainy shower handle. It is very big, comfortable. This bathtub was made special for this flat. It is individual made in. In this big flat, it was designed and made the system of smart home. It can turn on and turn off conditioner. It can open and close curtain. It can make temperature in the flat, and you can show who will come. You can see who will come to you, yes? You can see a doorbell, and you can see anybody who come to you. Realux company can complete your flat with the furniture, all devices, curtains, and so on. Contact company Realux and apply the renovation company Realux. If you want a dream to live near the sea, apply to company Realux. We made your dream reality.